Welcome to the heart of innovation, where precision meets passion, crafting the perfect seal for every bottle. From raw materials to finished products, every step is a testament to meticulous planning and precise execution.
Quality begins at the source, with every component undergoing rigorous scrutiny for absolute perfection.
The journey begins as empty vessels embark on a precise automated path, ready for their transformation ahead.
Each bottle undergoes a meticulous purification, ensuring pristine cleanliness, ready for the next crucial stage of its journey.
Thousands of caps, a symphony of color and motion, are precisely sorted, ready for their vital sealing role.
From feeder to machine, each cap travels a meticulously engineered path, ensuring perfect synchronization and delivery. A delicate dance of robotics and precision as each cap finds its perfect resting place, ready for sealing. The capped bottles advance, a silent procession towards the ultimate moment of secure and pristine sealing.
The sealing mechanism engages, a symphony of motion, ensuring an airtight, tamper-proof closure with every bottle.
Final crimp, a testament to engineering, creating an unbreakable bond, protecting freshness and quality within. Freshly sealed, each bottle represents a promise of quality, ready for its final journey to consumers.
Witness the intricate ballet of machinery and precision, where every bottle begins its sealed existence.
With gentle precision, robotic arms initiate the journey, carefully transferring each bottle to the production line.
Through heated precision, each bottle emerges perfectly dry, a pristine canvas awaiting its protective seal. Advanced sensors meticulously scan every bottle, ensuring only flawless vessels proceed to the crucial capping stage.
No compromise on quality. Faulty bottles are swiftly removed, maintaining the integrity of the entire production.
A rhythmic river of empty bottles flows forward, each perfectly aligned, awaiting its precise and protective cap.
The cap feeder, a miniature marvel, orchestrates the precise release of each individual, perfectly oriented cap.
Even in automation, skilled hands provide vital oversight, ensuring every intricate mechanism performs flawlessly. Swift descent, perfectly aligned, the cap prepares for its pivotal role, ensuring a flawless seal.
Micro adjustments, robotic precision. The cap aligns perfectly, a testament to advanced automated engineering.
Even with automation, a human eye provides an essential layer of vigilant quality assurance, ensuring perfection.
Behold the symphony of automation, where caps are fed, placed, and sealed with unparalleled precision and speed.
The capped bottles advance towards induction sealing, a crucial step for preserving freshness and ensuring product integrity. The magic of induction. An invisible force creates an unbreakable, airtight seal, preserving the product within.
A perfect seal, tamper-evident and secure, signifies the successful completion of induction, ensuring product freshness. After intense sealing, bottles enter a controlled cooling phase, preserving their integrity and preparing for labeling.
From induction to cooling, this automated ballet ensures every bottle is perfectly sealed and prepared.
A spectrum of caps, each meticulously inspected, ensuring only the highest quality components for every product.
Every seal undergoes rigorous torque testing, guaranteeing unwavering tightness and uncompromising product integrity.
The vibrant labels, meticulously loaded, prepare to adorn each bottle, telling its unique brand story.
With seamless precision, each label is applied, transforming a bottle into a branded masterpiece. Final touch, a perfectly smoothed label, a testament to brand identity and impeccable presentation.
Labeled and sealed, each bottle now stands as a complete product, ready for its final journey.
With laser precision, vital batch codes and expiration dates are indelibly marked, ensuring traceability and safety. Labels applied, codes etched. A seamless dance of automation, preparing each bottle for distribution.
Each finished bottle undergoes rigorous final visual inspection, ensuring absolute perfection before packaging.
High-speed cameras meticulously scan every millimeter, detecting even the slightest imperfection, guaranteeing flawlessness.
Perfectly grouped, these pristine bottles now await their final elegant packaging, completing their journey.
Culmination of precision, final quality checks and grouping, ensuring every bottle is absolutely flawless.
Protective dividers are meticulously placed, preparing each box to cradle its precious cargo safely.
Robotic precision gently guides each group of bottles into their protective packaging, ready for shipment. Filled and aligned, the boxes proceed towards automated sealing, ensuring secure transit and product protection.
Automated precision seals each box, ensuring contents are protected during transit, from factory to consumer.
The final stage, bottles transformed into securely sealed cartons, ready for their journey to the world.
Robotic precision meticulously stacks each carton, building stable pallets, ready for efficient global distribution. From production line to warehouse, finished products are carefully transported, ready for their onward journey.
The final audit. A diligent manager meticulously verifies every detail, ensuring perfect shipment manifests.
From our loading docks, meticulously packed products embark on their global journey, reaching markets worldwide.
Journey concludes as our carefully sealed products depart, carrying quality and trust to customers globally.
As the sun sets, our commitment to quality shines on, a beacon of industrial excellence and innovation.
Behold the finished product, a testament to precision, quality, and the art of perfect sealing.
A spectrum of products, each sealed with unwavering precision, reflecting our commitment to diverse quality.
The tamper-evident seal, a guarantee of freshness, a promise of untouched quality, meticulously crafted. The art of presentation. Professional photographers capture every exquisite detail, showcasing product perfection.
From our factory to elegant retail spaces, our products are presented with pride, ready for discerning customers.
The journey's end, the customer's beginning. A perfect seal, a promise of quality, now in their hands.
The perfect seal, the mark of excellence, a testament to quality, ensuring satisfaction in every single detail. At the forefront of innovation, our factory stands, a beacon of precision, crafting seals that protect and preserve.
Silent, efficient automation guides essential components through our pristine facility, ensuring seamless production flow.
Every cap liner is meticulously measured, ensuring optimal thickness for an impregnable, reliable seal.
A synchronized ballet of robotics, organizing countless bottles onto parallel lines, commencing their journey. Ionized air meticulously purifies each bottle, eradicating microscopic particles, ensuring absolute pristine conditions. A rhythmic dance of caps, perfectly aligning, preparing for their crucial role in securing freshness.
Through a transparent chute, caps descend with speed and perfect orientation, ready for their precise application.
Multiple robots, synchronized perfection, simultaneously capping bottles, a testament to high-volume precision. A seamless transition. Freshly capped bottles move with purpose towards the crucial sealing stage.
The sealing rollers engage, applying precise pressure, creating an unbreakable, tamper-evident bond for ultimate protection.
The definitive click, a robust, secure fit, guaranteeing the integrity and longevity of every sealed product.
Perfectly sealed, each bottle represents a flawless output, ready for the next stage of its journey. Witness the intricate choreography of capping and sealing, a testament to our advanced automated precision.
With gentle precision, robotic arms select and transfer each cap, initiating its journey to secure a bottle. Through the blue glow of UV sterilization, each bottle achieves absolute purity, ready for its purpose.
Micro cracks are instantly detected. Our optical system ensures only flawless caps proceed to sealing.
Flawed caps are instantly rejected. A swift, decisive action, upholding our rigorous quality standards.
A steady stream of perfectly aligned caps flows forward, each ready for its precise robotic placement.
The robotic gripper, a marvel of engineering, precisely selects a single cap, initiating its final journey.
Skilled technicians meticulously calibrate robotic arms, ensuring unparalleled precision in every capping movement.
Through precise rotating guides, each bottle finds its perfect orientation, ready for its secure cap. A gentle twist, a perfect start. The robotic arm flawlessly engages the cap's threads, securing its position.
Automated vision systems meticulously scan each capped bottle, ensuring perfect alignment and zero defects. From chaotic caps to perfect placement, witness the automated precision of our initial capping process.
Capped bottles advance towards the heat tunnel, anticipating the precise shrink sleeve application for enhanced protection. With precise heat, a vibrant shrink sleeve perfectly conforms, adding another layer of security and branding.
A perfect shrink sleeve, tamper-evident, vibrant, and a testament to enhanced product protection and branding.
Even with advanced automation, a human eye provides the ultimate check, ensuring perfect sleeve application.
Shrink-sleeved and inspected, a seamless dance of automation and human oversight, ensuring perfect final products.
A spectrum of sleeves, each meticulously inspected, ensuring vibrant print quality and perfect seam integrity.
Each sleeve undergoes rigorous heat testing, guaranteeing optimal shrink characteristics for a flawless, secure fit.
Vibrant shrink sleeves are meticulously loaded, preparing to enhance each bottle's aesthetic and protection.
With seamless precision, each shrink sleeve is applied, transforming a bottle into a branded, protected product.
Perfect shrink sleeve, a vibrant, wrinkle-free embrace, completing the bottle's aesthetic and protection.
Shrink-sleeved and sealed, each bottle now stands as a complete, branded product, ready for its final journey.
Laser engraving adds a unique serial number, ensuring traceability and authenticity for every single bottle. From sleek sleeves to indelible codes, witness the seamless automation defining our product's final presentation. Each shrink-sleeved bottle undergoes rigorous final visual inspection, ensuring absolute perfection before packaging. High-speed cameras meticulously scan every sleeved bottle, detecting even the slightest imperfection, guaranteeing flawlessness.
Perfectly grouped, these pristine bottles now await their final elegant multi-packaging, completing their journey.
Culmination of precision, final quality checks and grouping, ensuring every bottle is absolutely flawless.
Bottles are carefully placed into multi-pack trays, ensuring secure presentation and safe transit for consumers.
Automated shrink wrapping perfectly secures each multi-pack, ensuring protection and pristine presentation for consumers.
Final stage, bottles transformed into securely shrink-wrapped multi-packs, ready for their journey to market. Robotic precision meticulously stacks each multi-pack, building stable pallets, ready for efficient global distribution.
From production line to warehouse, finished multi-packs are carefully transported, ready for their onward journey.
The final audit. A diligent manager meticulously verifies every detail, ensuring perfect multi-pack shipment manifests.
All right, team, let's keep the pace up. We've got 3 more trucks before break.